to my channel. So I promised you all a room tour and I'm going to deliver one. My room is 93% complete. I do want some plants, but I don't have no plants, so I need to go get some plants. You may see some plants around in future videos. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my room tour. So let's get into this. When you first walk into my dorm, you see the door. Right to the left side of the doorway is my kitchen area. So let's go through it. The first thing that we have by the door is my pantry area. You know, it's a pantry. I keep food and pictures, and then I also have just some coupon items, you know, some tissue and paper towels down there. In this little cubby space between the fridge and the pantry, I just have my Swiffer, my broom and dustpan, and yeah, I think that's all that's over there. And I just have a little hook on the wall. It's my keys and my little wallet. Backing away a little bit, this is just my fridge, and on top I have my air fryer, which I cooked in it recently. You guys will see it in a Cooking with Tommie. It's already filmed. And I have my fridge, and then we have counter space. The past 3 weeks or so, I have been doing a little keto diet, but here I just have like keto snacks, almonds, healthy things that I can have. There's measuring cups there. On here we have just the stove, and I have this little picture that I got from Hobby Lobby when they had their 90% off clearance, and more cabinet space. I do have some plates here from Target. They're like 79 cents each. Have a little kettle for water, and my Keurig also comes with a microwave, and I just have a little plastic thing that you cover your food with up there. Under the sink is where I keep like my shampoo and my conditioner, and also a lot of my current products that I'm using to like upkeep my dorm. And then there are also trash bags down there as well. So I told you guys, and I've also made a couple videos of all the things that I coupon. If you're not following me on Instagram, I've been posting a lot of my coupon hauls in my IGTV, so if you guys want to see that. But this is my little stockpile. I have Mr. Clean Freak, Mr. Clean regular spray, a lot of Febreze air fresheners. I have backups of Swiffer wipes. I have dryer sheets. There are also dish detergent liquids, Kaboom. Down here there are just bottles of Tide and Gain, and then there's more bottles of regular Tide and Tide Simply back there, and there's more duster sheets. And then here I have lots and lots of pods, packs, flings, all of that is back there. So it's kind of just like my little laundry cleaning stockpile. This cabinet, I just keep my crock pot and like glasses, and I do have just this little picture that I got from Hobby Lobby. I've had that one for forever. So that is the kitchen area from the door. So if we did ever slightly move back, you see there is my trash can and this little closet here. At the top is where I keep a lot of my winter boots and just shoes that I'm currently not wearing. There are also some rain boots up there and some hats. As we move down, you can see I have like some outerwear stuff that I don't really need in my actual closet. And then I have these bins and a bag full of water bottles and plastic bottles just for recycling. And then I have my boogie board in there. Storage containers take up a lot of space, but they help me a lot in staying organized versus having boxes that are not that sturdy. Moving right on along, if we turn this way, we are met with my little dining area and my living room. So let's dig deeper. Up above, I just have this picture frame from Hobby Lobby. It just says, "It is by grace you have been saved." The table, I just have a round tablecloth that I bought from Amazon. It's clothed. And then I also have just a little plant succulent thing that I got from Walgreens when they were having a really good 70 to 90% off sale this summer. So the table is just a gray, marbly kind of look. If we move over, we have just my living room space. The dorm comes with a armchair, and you also get a couch, which I covered mine. So I just used some sheets, and if you watch my moving vlogs, then you saw me covering the couch. So yeah, I have that and some pillows on there and a little tapestry. The pillows I got from, I think, TJ Maxx. Maybe I'm lying. It could be from Ross. I don't know. But the tapestry is from eBay, and I'll leave a link for the tablecloth down below as well. Anything I have a link for, I will leave it down below. They may be affiliate links. That blanket was a gift from last year's Friendsmas. And in the windowsill plants that I got from Walmart, that tea is from Hobby Lobby. And on the little table, this little table here, I got from Goodwill for like $4. The white tray on it is from At Home, the store. And I just have like the remote, 2 stacks of cards, and some sticky notes. Just random stuff. Over here, I do have my TV there. So this area is pretty plain. I don't know what I should do here. What do you guys think? I'm totally open to suggestions. But I have my desk here. I have this lamp forever. You've probably seen it in every dorm tour if you've watched all of mine these past 4 years. This is also where I'm housing my makeup because I don't have anywhere else for it to go. Desk in the living room because I study best not in my actual bedroom. So I have 3 of my books there, you know. I have a gray and a white rug. That's from Walmart. It's hard to see, but I do have a printer in the corner here sitting on a blue like ottoman type thing. And I just have my little resume portfolio thing, and some sticker paper because I love stickers. So that's in the corner along with one of my book bags that has wheels on it, depending on if I feel like carrying all my books or if I'll use this one if I'm like just taking one book to class. So the next thing that we have up is my bedroom and the bathroom. So let's go. Turning on the lights, this is what you see. We have a lot going on. Hi. In my room, on the back of my door, I have some business clothing here. I do have a little picture on the wall, and it just says, "How great thou art." And I have my famous chair that I made, I think 2 years ago now, over the summer, and I love it so much. It's holding up well. It just needs to be brushed right now. But I have a little bear donated to St. Jude's, and I have this little nightstand that I made. So both of these projects right here, the chair and this little nightstand or end table looking thing, you can find videos for them under Rags to Riches. This is episode 1 and that's episode 2. I have a lamp and just some things on there. iPad. The lamp is from Ross. This is my bedding, and I do have some stickers on the wall that are from Dollar Tree, so it kind of went with my little succulent plant theme. So put those up there kind of like they're sitting on the shelf, and I have my remote control. This body pillow is from Walmart, but I have a cover on it that is from Amazon, and I just washed it for the first time and it got really fluffy, so I'm happy about that. The 2 gray pillows are from TJ Maxx, and this one, the pink one, I'll leave it down below. This pink one in the front is from Ross, and that one's from Pier 1. My curtains are from Target, and yeah, this big blanket right here is from eBay as well. And my bedding is from JCPenney's. Usually get questions about my bed skirt. It was given to me like my freshman year, so I don't know where it's from, but it is really great for hiding stuff under my bed. This little ottoman I just got from Ross. It was $39.99, and it has storage, which is nice. So I have a lot of my lounge clothes in here. And this rug, I don't know where it's from at all. Under my bed, I do have my dresser and my nightstand. So this is the actual nightstand. Also under here, I just have a little basket. So when I take my pillows off my bed, I put them inside this basket. And over here, I just have some coupon items as well. So this is where I keep like razors, feminine products, and toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwash. And down here is just where I keep miscellaneous clothing that's like winter attire or something like that. Moving on up, I do have some vines here. I bought the vines on Amazon. I think they were about $10. So I got the pink flowers from Dollar Tree, and I hot glued them on there, and then I put them up with like clear hooks again and just weave the lights that I already had through. So this is what it looks like kind of at night, you know, with the lights on and the flowers and the vines. I love it so much. Moving over, I just have a little picture on the wall that says cheers, and I have this little card from Michaels, and I have a couple of my glasses there, and to have some craft stuff at the bottom, and the middle one is kind of miscellaneous. I have like my TV and this little shelf. So I've had this shelf for a while as well, but I recently, I think last semester, covered it with marble paper on the top and the first two shelves. So I have this little picture from Hobby Lobby, and it was 99 cents, y'all, on clearance. And it just says "want a hug." So like I said, I'm really into plants and cactuses and succulents and stuff, so I combine it with some of my old decor. At the very bottom, these two gold bins I got from Walmart. They're like $2 a piece, and they're kind of old, but I think they still do them. So I have a lot of my phone cases and just Apple Watch accessories. I have extra chargers. And in the other one, it's like glasses and sunglasses. But the glasses that I wear most often, I keep up there. It's a little mirror behind my TV. I got that from Goodwill. So this is my coat rack. It used to be by my door in my last dorm tour, but I put it in here. It just has some hats that I wear sometimes. My jackets that I wear most often are on there, so it's just kind of there. Over more, you'll see my mirror, which I got from Walmart, and I just strung like 3 vines on it. I have these curtains up here, and the curtains are from Ross, and the gold tension rod I think is from At Home. And yeah, this is my closet. I do have a shoe rack in here that goes all the way across my closet. I bought it on Amazon. This one is way better than my last one because it won't break at all, because it's like metal bars and it can hold so many shoes. I try to organize my closet by color. Up top there are a couple purses and a couple pairs of heels as well. So just my current purses and things like that. The last part of my room is my bathroom, so let's go inside. Just walking through the door, you see like my vanity areas. You can see I have more vines up here as well. And there's this little rack. I have a little thing. This storage container I built with items from a Dollar Tree. So 2 of the little drawers and then the top part. And I just got some crazy glue, glued those together. But this little organizer here I got on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. It's just an acrylic thing. I felt it was kind of great since it's in the corner. I have my facial brush holder, and this is just my bathroom area. I have drawer space, and I have a pink mat on the floor. Down here, mirror. I have 3 packs of tissue down here. Some storage, and yeah, that's all that's under my sink. The next thing that we have is my toilet area, and I got this little situation silver rack thing from Goodwill, but it was originally from Walmart. So you know, I have towels and stuff at the top, flushable wipes, cleaning supplies in the back. I just washed my hair, so that's like my hair towel. It's drying so I can wash it. I have my laundry cart, which I got from Amazon as well. All 3 of these bath mats are from eBay. I think I paid $20 for them. To move right on around, we have my shower and another bath mat. The shower curtain is also from Amazon. The shower mirror there. I have Bluetooth speaker. At the top, I have a little shower caddy thing that just has my facial brush, my pumice stone, and some body wash. I have a scrub brush up there. And then I have a little area that has a razor, more body wash, and shave cream. And boom, we're back into my room. So this is my fall 2019 dorm tour. I'm graduating in December, guys. Like, whoa. That's gonna be interesting. This whole process has been interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed this dorm tour. If you have any questions about where something is from, or you want more information on something, then let your girl know. I will definitely answer those questions. I think that's all. If you like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you thought. If you have any suggestions about how I can spice my room up a little bit more with the decor, let me know as well. And also, if you like me and my personality, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to also tap that bell so you guys can be notified when I upload new videos. Without any other further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.